yourself and tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Say my name is around you. Baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Kinda shady, ain't calling me baby.
All right, hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So today I've got a quick look for you from Megalook Hair. Y'all, this wig comes ready to go. Y'all, look how they pluck this frontal. It comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached as well, and it also has like a little vent right here so your hair can get a little bit of air to it, so that just in case you do sweat underneath there, which some people do sweat in their units, this should allow a little bit of air to get through. So y'all, I am actually really pressed for time today. It was my husband's birthday and I had to get myself together real fast, so I just powdered my face, drunk me some water, and popped this unit on. I don't know if I just mentioned it because my thoughts are all over the place today, but this is 30 inches, y'all, and I've never worn a 30-inch unit. It's 30-inch body wave, and yeah, make sure you check the description box. I'll have all the details like I always do down there for you. But y'all, I guess this is not known, but some of us out here we don't use glue. I've never used glue my entire life of wearing wigs. This is going on like 4 or 5 years now. I always use my bed head or some kind of really good hairspray. I didn't know that people really thought that you had to use glue in order to wear a wig, and you don't. So yeah, there's that. Just want to put that out there. So yeah, just taking it section by section, spraying a good amount of hairspray this go around because I thought I was going to wear this wig like the next day. I typically remove my units at nighttime, but when I know I have something to do the next day, I may just leave it on, but I ended up removing it anyways. But sometimes I do go a little bit ham on the hairspray. And y'all, to really get that lace melted in, I am taking like what's on my fingers, just a little bit of hairspray. I'm dipping my finger in and I'm really pressing on that line of demarcation. There's no need to go back into the hair to get the wig to lay. You really just want to focus on where your skin and the wig meet and really press that lace in. And because I am pressed for time today, I'm doing a regular elastic band and then using my Megalook elastic band that they sent me as well on over it because I need this to melt as fast as possible, y'all, because I ain't got all day. Next, y'all, I've just pressed my foundation brush. I didn't add anything to it into the wig, just to kind of get a little bit of color on there. I will finish that off like at the end of this video when I'm doing my final touches. But next, you guys, we're going to go ahead and bring out my wax stick. But look how beautiful this hair is, y'all. This is 30 inches and I am 5'2". Okay, this was a lot of hair for me, but I loved every single inch of it, and I think I might be addicted now. Like, I think this may be my jam. I'm not really sure. We will see. So next, y'all already know what's about to happen. Just taking my hot comb and my wax stick, really getting to the roots to get this unit as flat as I possibly can, and then we'll move on to laying my edges because I definitely wanted to do some dramatic edges this go around. I typically don't, but we'll get to that in just a second. All right, y'all, so for these edges, okay, or for these bangs, because they definitely giving bangs this go around, and I really don't care. Usually this is not my style. If you guys have been following me, I don't really go this long. But I did today because I want to switch it up, and that's what I love about wearing wigs, y'all. I can just do whatever the heck I want to do, and you know, it's not permanent. So yeah, I'm cutting my little edges, you guys. I also saw this girl on Instagram or TikTok, one of those, and her hair was like very similar to this, and it just looked so good. Like the big long hair, the voluminous curls she had, and I was pretty much like mimicking that. I just love the look on her. Y'all, make sure you check the description box. All the information, the direct link to this unit should be down there just in case I missed something. Also, if you ever have any questions, curious about any products that I'm using, like here for my edges, I'm only using my Design Essentials, which is what I've been using nonstop forever now. Things like that, products like that, hair tools, combs, whatever, it's going to be listed in my Amazon store, so make sure you check that out. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish laying these edges, cut a little bit off, I think right here, because I was like, look, I can't go that long, and then we'll finish up this look. But y'all, I did this wig came out good. Y'all will see in just 1 second how good the edges look, the pre-plucked hairline, like all of it. So good. So next step is actually widening this part. I just need it to be a little widened. I typically don't do this step right here very often, but sometimes the frontals are pretty thick, and to me, I don't really like a super skinny part, and I just knew like concealer, powder, whatever was just not gonna do it for me. And honestly, sometimes I just forget to do this, and I didn't today. So I just took my tweezers and plucked on each side just a bit to widen it, make it look a little bit more natural. And then next I'm going to of course brush it out, and then I'm gonna cut it a little bit. So I ended up cutting a few like pieces in the front just to kind of frame my face, give it a little bit more volume, even though it's full of it, but give it some layers as well. I think next year, y'all, 2024, I'm really going to focus on hair styling. I think I've gotten the whole laying the unit down, all that kind of stuff, tips and tricks to make the frontal look as good as possible, as natural as possible. I think I'm pretty good at it, and I want to move forward. And so I think next year I'm really going to focus on layering and styling the hair in curls, because that's not my forte. It's not my ministry, y'all. Like, I can't curl really, in my opinion, worth crap unless I'm using a wand curler, and I want to be able to style my hair without one. So yeah, so in every area, it doesn't matter what you're doing, there's always more to learn, and I've always loved hair, and so I want to keep learning more, learning how to do more things. So next, you guys, y'all see, I did not cut that much because this is 30 inches. When you get 30 inches, I just expect you to want to keep all 30 inches. It like me, I was like, not finna go too crazy, because that's what you do when you have a like 20 to 22, even 24 inch, I guess. But when you got long length, you kind of want to keep it. When you got a little bit shorter, it's kind of like that mid length, you could definitely play around with it more, add more layers. But anyways, y'all, I'm just taking my little wand curler and wanding my hair, and the curls are going to come out beautifully. In just 1 second, y'all will see. So for final touches, just wearing it down, I just went ahead and cut the front just a little bit shorter to get a little bit more of that, layered effect. And then I'm just adding my Fenty powder to my part, and then over like on the sides. And then I'm going to add a little bit of bronzer as well, because that's what I do. That's how I make everything blend nice and seamlessly all together. And here, you guys, I'm just pulling it up into a high ponytail. So if you see this unit, if you see me on TikTok, Instagram, wherever, and you see this cute look, y'all see my Amazon sweater? It's so cute, ain't it? This look, this is Megalook. This hair is beautiful. They did a good job on this wig, you guys. So let me know if you have any questions, comments. Happy holidays to you. Merry Christmas. I hope you guys have a happy new year, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.